Yo, hello, what's up, guys? Um, Another trading day has ended. Today is Tuesday. Pip Flow, we have for you. Analysis on gold begins. Yeah, you know what? Today has been tough and a bit rough, but at long run, market give us a push, right? So now we go into the chart to see what's happening, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Um Follow me anywhere I go. Yeah. So now let's start. Okay, this is gold, and let's start from daily. And I've forgotten month ended yesterday, and today's first. And yes, today's first, and we are about to go down. Okay, so going back to chart. This is daily, and as you can see, I gave analysis that we need a solid confirmation that this top has to be taken out. It's not done yet. We are still in that same area. But let's look at the last bearish candle before price did what? Give us that push. And that bearish candle is this guy, right? So for us to be confirmed as sellers, price needs to close bearish, okay, below this bearish candle, and we will have a good selling opportunity over here, or price will at least close about even if 70% of the bearish candle, it can also be taken, right? Then we see how the next day's candle play out. If we get that, I could be suspecting a sell from here. Yeah, to get that, you could be suspecting a sell, but for now, there's no proper signal in daily, right? In daily, there's no proper signal for a sell. So now let me mark the um, high of that bearish candle. That is the opening of that bearish candle, and then the oh, and then the close of that bearish candle. Now this candle is the anchor of holding price. Now we are at the open of a new month. Okay, in a daily chart, um, this is our start, our open in a daily chart, and this is our close. This last candle is our close in a daily chart. So this tells us that market went up, came back down, and went back up again. So we have, let me have a look. We should have a bearish doji. All right, so let me clear it all, and let's see if we are going to have a bearish doji or a bullish doji. So let me go into monthly. Yes, we have a bearish doji over here. So this tells us that price opened and closed what? Bearish. So this is a bearish move for August went what? Bearish. Good. So now I'm going back into daily so that we can continue. So now, as I've said, this area is our rejection zone, and price did that yesterday. Price rejected the area. Let's see if price is going to test it again. And this month opening, if price opens low, all right, and is able to hold this area, as in this bearish order block, sorry, this bullish order block, is able to hold price to go bullish, then our retracement will be on either this open, the open of this month, sorry, this high of today, sorry, or the high of this bearish order block. Okay, when price breaks it, we will now be biased, right? So now let me go into 4 hour and let's break it down from there. Now, when we come into 4 hour, price is bearish, not confirmed or completely bearish, but price is bearish. So now this place serves as a stronghold for price. Okay, that area is 1950 to run it up or run it off is around 1950, and that is where price is really struggling to get to. Now, to confirm, as we being in a sell or in a sell scenario, price is still what? Let me zoom in a little bit. Price is still bullish because this last bearish order block has not yet been taken out in 4 hours. Okay, but price has wicked into it, which is a good sign. Now we need more confirmation from here. Now over here to the last bullish candle for price selling is this guy. So if this guy could also give us maybe a retracement, okay, and price is able to hold it, then the next thing that will attract price again is liquidity. And where is liquidity? The wicks, the wicks, the wicks, the wicks, even this wick, right? So price could go there either now or any other time price is ready to go there. You have to find your way of being part of the deal, right? So now in short terms from 4 hour, we are bearish. But to confirm a complete bearish, price need to take out, close fully, right? By taking out this bearish candle, as in closing below it, not wicking but closing below it. It will confirm a solid what? Selling scenario for us. Secondly, as we've said, even if price is bearish after closing below it, we need more push. And that push is if price is able to take out this low, all right? And this low is the low of that daily bullish order block, all right, where I marked. Let me go back into daily and we have a look. Yes, so this low is where we are talking of. Price needs to close there before we can confirm that we are what? We are bearish. You understand? So yes, we could be bearish, we could be bullish, but where price is not safe. It's not so safe to trade at this zone. It's a stronghold. It's a serious zone. Okay, price is hanging in between. Price is bouncing left, right over here. So whatever price gives us here, it will give us a setup, whether bullish or bearish. It will give us. When it gives us, we take advantage of it. But for now, it's not safe. Right? It's not safe to be in gold. It's not safe to be in gold. But if you know your way around it, I cannot hold you. You have liberty to do all you like, but we need more signals, right? It's possible price is just coming down to take liquidity, right? Then maybe find more way to be bullish. Okay, so let me push this step further, right? And then zoom out a little bit. Good. So it is possible that price will surely take out this order block, right? Sell, bounce, sell, take liquidity like that. Maybe go back up, giving us some structure. I don't want to talk about structure now, but we are going to get structure, right? Again, taking out our liquidity, price will definitely bounce back at this area because this is a very, very strong hold. Though there's a liquidity here this week, it could go into it, take that liquidity, and the only place that will hold price is this last bullish candle. All right, it will also hold price if possible. If we are bullish, all right, to hold price and find ways and means to get back into what? Bullish move. If that is what's going to happen, then we take advantage over it. So what else do we need? We need trend, right? Our first trend, which is this one, has been taken out, right? But still, yet still, our major lower highs has not been taken out. Okay, our high, our lower high, right? This lower high is still not taken out. So confirmation for selling is still not 100%, right? But at the same time, we have a trend for this low to this higher low, right? We have a trend here. So for price to be bearish or bullish, possibility of price being bullish is higher because we are still in the bullish momentum or bullish scenario. None of these lows have been taken out, okay? But when you look at the bearish scenario, this low has gone out of our trend line, but hasn't taken out this major lower high. So it's possible that price will come and find liquidity and go back up. Now, this is something I am thinking and hoping it happens. If price gives us equal highs over here, all right? Price buys and gives us equal high. Now, let me draw this clearly and keep it, right? So now, I'm thinking price could sell, take liquidity at this area with setup, could buy, give us either equal high, right? Even if it's equal high, that's also not bad for a bullish momentum. So price buying, giving us equal high and all that, all sort of stories. When price breaks out of this area, I'm seeing or suspecting a huge push up, right? So if price gives us this, yeah, then that means your TP is going to be low, high, placing it on your breakout. You could go somewhere 2016 or 2020 0. Oh, sorry, 2164. Price could go there. And we have a high over here, which price will use it, take advantage over it to give us another setup, right? So when that happens, it's possible price will just come and retrace it, right? Retracing this, we have another TP calculator for that. High to low, breaking, placing it here. We are going all the way up. Oh, sorry. Let me put this guy here. Good. So all the way up, price could go as high as 2283. From there, we will keep on finding setup. So let's keep observing price and let's see how far price travels with us. Right, I'm suspecting buys, but it will rely on how or what happens at this area. Okay, this strong support area. I'm looking at how price is coming to work at this area. Okay, it could perform some tricks because this week is NFP week. A lot could happen here, so we need to keep our fingers crossed. Right, so price could do whatever it wants to do. When it gets to our last bearish candle, whatever happens here between this area, between this if let's say this is a resistance and this is your support, what's going to happen here from all these places, okay, will tell us if we are going to be bearish or bullish. All right, so this is what I think, and for now, it's not safe, but at least I'm sure risking here for here, let's see, it's almost 1:1 risk to reward ratio, right? So it's not so safe. If your entry were to be early, maybe somewhere here, risking here to here would have been better. This would have been, let me see, this could look like 1:2. or 1:2.5. So with this, at least you could have been in a safe trade. But at this moment, it's better to wait for a good setup. Then we take advantage over it. Now, there's one secret the market does. Anytime market has a good and significant move, market has to consolidate. They need to take order from people. So what do? When taking those orders, they prepare themselves. What is that preparation? They prepare. They set. They create setups. Sorry. Example today, market is going to create a setup. And what setup did it create? It created this market structures. That is what I use to identify market movement. Okay, created this lows and this. I think this is a rising. Is this a flag or whatsoever, right? So with this setup alone, your TP would have been low to high, right? Placing it on your trade from your breakout. This is your TP, you are done, you're out. The rest is not for you, it's for the market makers. Let them do what they do, all right? Now, we have in small, this is 15 minutes. We have low, this low was taken out with a wick, all right? But still, there are other lows over here that price would like to take it. Since it has come into this area, it has to come and finish the job, all right? Come in here. If it's able to come to respect this area, we have a setup. Which setup is that? This is the handle. This could be the cup and handle, right? So if we get a breakout like this, we're going down. Now let me take my TP calculator, calculating a drop from here to here. Okay, and placing it on the breakout if this is what's going to happen, right? Where is price coming? Then price could come all the way down to here, right? And where is that? Let me use this tool so that I can use another. That means price will come all the way down there. It doesn't happen all the time, but it's something I'm still looking at. It's not 100% sure until price gives me what I'm looking for. So right now we are taking out, price is taking out the order block. And as you could see, it has already started. So let's see if this last candle could close below it. When it closes below it, it's a good sign for a sell, right? And I'm thinking if this high doesn't hold price and this bullish candle doesn't hold price, then it is up to this last bearish candle to hold price. If these guys fail, then we are bearish. But if any of them holds, you have to find ways and means to go up. That is it for gold. And for me, I'll say no trade for gold for now. There's no clear direction. We are in the middle of an order block, bullish and bearish order blocks. So no trade. No trade for pip flow. We want to play safe. So pip flow says no trade. We want the pips to flow. We want it to flow like a river. You get it? So yeah, we are still being blocked by this other block. So we are still trying to play safe until price does breaks any of them, other block and other block. So price is suffering here. We are waiting to see what's gonna happen here. Right, if it does this, this is good for a buy. It does this to be good for a buy. So let's see. Anything that comes, we will play with it, we'll work with it. Enjoy your day. Like my video, subscribe and share with your friends. Enjoy and take care, and let's make money.